Wagwan people, welcome back to GCSE Science Boss. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how do we calculate empirical formula. Now, empirical formula is your simplest whole number ratio, okay, of atoms of elements in a compound. And once you follow my 5-step program, you cannot get this wrong, all right? So let's have a look at this question. And it says here, the picture shows a painting which was painted in cave in France 17,000 years ago. One of the pigments in the painting contains 70% iron and 30% oxygen. Calculate the simplest empirical formula of this substance. And they've given you the relative atomic mass, okay, 16 and 56. All right, so here's my 5-step program. Forget always doing these questions. And once you do this 5-step program, you'll never ever get these questions wrong. Here's my 5-step program. Every man must run fast. And what does that mean? Element, mass, moles, ratio, and formula. You just need to follow these 5 steps. So, quickly, what are our 2 elements involved in the question? So we have iron, Fe, and we have oxygen, O. Okay, good. Then our masses. Our masses is equivalent to the percentage. Okay, always. So we have 70% there, and we have 30% there. Okay, good. Then how do we work out moles? Moles is equal to your mass divided by your AR or your MR. In this case, it's going to be your AR, your relative atomic mass. So that's going to be 70 divided by 56. And this is going to be 30 divided by 16. So if you've done that on your calculators, you're going to get an answer of 1.25 here. You're going to get an answer of 1.875 here. It is good to have at least 3 decimal places, okay? Now your ratio, your next step means that you're dividing through by your smallest number. Smaller number in this case, as there are 2 numbers. So it's going to be 1.25 divided by 1.25. It's going to be 1.875 divided by 1.25. Now that's going to be equal to 1. This is going to be equal to 1.5. Now, if you get a number which is 0.5, you always have to times both ratio by 2. Okay? So this number ends in 0.5, so we have to times that by 2. So you end up with an answer here of 2, and you end up with an answer here of 3. And therefore, what's our formula? All right, so it's going to be Fe2O3. Okay? Too easy. All right, so have a look at the steps. You can take this down, you can put that on your flashcard, then you can find an exam style question similar to this one to have a go. Let's have a look at the mark scheme. You can see here it is worth 4 marks. You can see exactly what you're getting your marks for. Just follow GCSE Science Boss 5-step program. Every man must run, element, mass, moles, ratio, and formula. Okay, remember to share my video. All right, go over to my YouTube. Make sure you're also subscribing, and all the best in your GCSE. I'm out.